guys, what's up? My name is Sophia. So lately I've been very busy and just working in the barn, and by the way, I don't think I've actually told you, but I did get that job in Silverglade Manor. So yeah, I've just been really busy looking at paperwork, files, the barn, and the new job that I have. I started way back on Monday, but yeah. So it's kind of been a really hectic week. But it's not over. It's not over yet. But I think I do need a little bit of a break, so I'm going to be taking Echo with me today, and we're going to go to the nice Fort Pinta beach to just have a little bit of a break from the barn, and I'm super excited. So let's go. We arrived. I just took most of his tack off except for the rope, and so he doesn't have anything else on. I'm so glad I came here, honestly. It's a good break from the barn. It's so much relaxing and peaceful and just calm. There's not many people here today because it has been raining, but I'm not too scared of a little rain in some wet places in the sand. I think we might go for a little bit of a swim, but I'm not sure how he will react since he doesn't go to the beach much, but I think he'll be alright. Good boy. How's that? Nice water?